Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the HCF of two numbers. The two numbers are 36 and 120. So for finding the HCF we are going to use the prime factorization method where we divide numbers by prime numbers and find the factors of the numbers. For finding the HCF we are going to divide the two numbers separately and will find the common factors in between the two numbers. So let's divide number 36. 36 is an even number. It is easily divisible by number 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 is remainder. This becomes 16. 2 times 8 is 16. Again we can divide by 2. 2 times 9 is 18. 9 is an odd number. It is not divisible by number 2. So the next prime number after 2 is 3. It is divisible by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Now 3 is a prime number. 3 times 1 is 3. 36 is fully divided. Let's divide 120. It is an even number. It is divisible by number 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 0 is 0. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 times 3 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 0 is 0. 30 is also divisible by number 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 is remainder. This becomes 10. 2 times 5 is 10. 15 is not divisible by number 2. Let's divide it by number 3. 3 times 5 is 15 and 5 is a prime number. It is only divisible by number 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So both the numbers are fully divided. Let's write the factors of the numbers and find the common factors to find the HCF. So the factors of 36 are 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 1. And factors of 120 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 1. To find the HCF, we are going to circle the common factors in between the two numbers. The common factors are this number 2 is common to both the numbers. Again this factor 2 is common to both the numbers. And there is 3 which is common to both the numbers. So let's find the HCF by taking the product of the common factors. So HCF is, as the factor is common, we are going to write it only once. So 2 times 3 is the HCF of the two numbers, and 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12. So the HCF of 36 and 120 is 12. So this is how we can find the factors of two numbers easily. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.